Hey guys, so here we are back in the CaraStudio. So this is basically where I left off from the first episode that you've all seen. So this is episode 2 of the Caravan conversion to my CaraStudio. As you can see, nothing's really changed. I've got my saw in here and everything like that. But yeah, main reason for this is Caravan finally in its final resting place. So it's finally where it's going to be for the next however long, until basically I decide that I've run out of room and I need bigger accommodations. But yeah, so basically I've stripped all the lights out as you saw, but I should have some time lapses running on over this video or in between this video. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, picked up this Coca-Cola fridge from the rubbish tip, and I took all the rubbish that I took out of here. It doesn't work, but if you saw on my Twitter that I will convert this into a 3D printer enclosure, which will be quite good. Make a nice video in the future. But yeah, that's it on the inside. Nothing's changed in here yet. Now that it's in place, the next thing to do is to get it all cleaned up, washed down, because it's quite dirty over here and stuff, and then basically decorate it. Getting the floor in, I'm waiting for some money to come through so I can buy a new drill, so I can take all this flooring up, put new flooring down. So yeah, that's the next phase. So let me just take you outside and just show you how close that is to the fence. Oh, down the step. So yeah, here we are. This is the front. So as you can see, it's right butted up now, right up against the fence, with the A-frame going through the fence. I'll show you the other side. There it is on the other side, just through, and I've staked it down a little bit. So yeah, that's it at the front. Oh, take it around to the back. Lock that back up so the dog can't get out. But yeah, it's literally been moved over from, it was like here, over. I've had to actually put some steps in now because I can't get up there properly. You can see how high off the ground it is. It's good, probably 4 foot off the ground here. Rubbish bins. And then yeah, you can see here that the fence is here, so it runs up and it's pretty much butted up. So yeah, that's get back in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll run the time lapses, and then yeah, it's going to be a short video. So I'll catch you in next one. Take care. Bye.